Hey guys, this is Fish Guy Ranch. I'm driving my lawnmower at my friend's house. Driving around. See the bow on it? Hey, there's a cat. He's running away. He's running away. They got a cat, Devin. Oh guys, this lawnmower ones, it's free. But I had to fix the shifter because it keeps on knocking it off and when you go forward. I had to undent the hood, make it look good. And then do the oil change and clean the engine up. And then probably put new air filter on it and change the oil and put fresh gas in it. And get new gas filter to put in it. That's about it, guys. The ones and drives good and everything. Starts right up. Watch this, buddy. There. Good. See that damage on the hood? I had to undent the hood on this side. So I'll make it look good. I know it's gonna look ridiculous when I get done hammering it and unstraightening it back up. But I had to get the indent this hood, and I need the light things for the front. As a Craftsman with a tray belt. It's like a tray belt mixed with a Craftsman. That's what it looks like. It's has a static. Have a 17.5 horse Craftsman motor on it. But I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna take the top of the plastic thing off to clean that out of there. Check the valves on it. And that's about it. It mows, dries, runs. It's good, guys. It's working good. And see you guys later, and peace out. Look at that, guys. I've rearranged it again, so that's much better now. Everything fits. I don't know about the push more. Maybe it will fit, guys. Hold on. Maybe it will fit. I don't know. Probably not. Nope. It fits. I had to put it up here. So that means I might put it on my red lawnmower to push more. So see you guys later, and peace out. Well, guys, I made a pulley for the front whoop to go onto. And I'm gonna put a fog light right here. Not right there, right here. Putting a fog light right there so I can see in the daytime. Not daytime, nighttime. Sorry, guys, nighttime. So I got a piece of wood. I'm gonna paint that same color as that of the hood. So I had to buy another paint just like this one. I could paint the piece of wood on it in the front of it. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Peace out, and have fun watching this video, guys, and see you guys later. Peace out. Okay guys, this is me and what me and my mom did. The other gray one is going back with here. That cat carrier is gonna go on my wet lawnmower real quick for you now. That's what we did. Now everything is all picked up now. Yeah, the oil in there, but I'm gonna get some jugs. I got my motor in this cool over here, and the toe is for the Jeep parts. And the whole drive shaft is right there, guys. The top that one we did is all broken. It was much better now. I'm selling that door right there, guys. That's about it, guys. And peace out and have fun watching this.